What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be making some cinnamon rolls, and first we're going to start by busting them out of the tubes and placing them one by one into our grease pan. Now I'm going to be placing them as close as possible because we need to fit 2 tubes in this one sheet. Now squeeze one more and another. I think one more. One more? Yeah, there you go. Now we're going to be adding some whipping cream. I went real heavy on the whipping cream. It creates some really great moisture. And then we're going to pop these babies in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Now, in the meantime, we are going to start mixing up our icing. We're going to use the Cinnamon Toast Crunch along with the icing that it already comes with in the tube. Give it a real good mix, nice and thick. And now let's check on these cinnamon rolls. Look at this, 15 minutes later, and they are perfectly toasted on top. Just take a minute to just appreciate this. They look absolutely amazing. And now we're going to start adding on our icing, nice and thick. Now remember to coat every single cinnamon roll as even as possible. Don't worry about it. This cinnamon is going to melt. Look at this. This cinnamon icing is so delicious. And if you want to add some extra cinnamon like I did, just add an extra dash. And look at this. Absolutely amazing. If you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making these cinnamon rolls, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys next time.